when inflation rises, people will desire to hold blank. And so I think this refers to the amount that people are holding in savings. And so the question is, do you save more or less when inflation happens? So real quick review of inflation. Inflation occurs when price levels are going up and therefore the value or purchasing power of money goes down. Okay, how does that apply to how much we save then? If we're saying that the value of money or the purchasing power of money has gone down and we expect it to continue to go down in the future, then that must mean that saving money is not a good idea as much as it was before, because the money you put into savings is losing value over time, right? And people put money into savings because they think they can use that money later on or earn returns on that money. And so when inflation is rising, people are going to desire to hold less in savings and more are more inclined to buy or purchase in the current period, right? And so that's going to be our answer for this question. Let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. So he said that less amount of physical cash, which I think is synonymous to savings. Let's see what their explanation says. A higher rate of inflation increases the cost of living and reduces the level of real income in the economy. In the short run, the monetary policy is effective to reduce the rate of inflation in the economy by adjusting the rate of interest. But in the long run, inflation is responsible for so many uncertainties. The impact of the high rate of inflation on consumers can be seen with the current demand for products and services in the market. In this state, consumers are inclined to try and purchase more products. Yeah, let's clarify this a little bit more. So, more specifically, inflation means that money held in savings is losing more value, more purchasing power over time, and as a result, people are inclined to change their savings behavior to spend more today. But the solution is correct, so we'll go with that.